Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Panchgani. Today I'm kicking off this vlog with a quick sneak peek of our cozy Zostel stay. And oh, this view, it's just the beginning of our 4-day adventure in this scenic, beautiful hill station. And ta-da! Here I am at 7 AM in the morning looking sleep deprived because the check-in isn't until 11 and obviously we reached early. And here is my darling gorgeous friend Akansha casually napping while I stare at the wall and question my choices. Adulting? I don't think so. I know that yet. So let's see. So my darling friend Akansha is finally up from her beauty sleep. And now she's very mesmerized with the mini garden. And this is the view. Now we're gonna go check out some cafes and have some coffee. And what else, Akansha? क्या चाहिए देखो और?
I don't know.
Maggie? Maggie?
Yes, dear.
चलो. We had the buffet breakfast for 300 rupees and at least 10 लोग का खाना तो हमने ही खाया, so full on पैसा वसूल. And yes, Akansha decided to share her meal with this beautiful dog. The peak wholesomeness of this trip is just getting started. And obviously, I had to pose in front of this wall for that perfect Insta moment. And finally, we checked into our dorm. 6 beds, lots of dorm vibes and 0 personal space. I really hope our roommates are like good. Seriously, yaar. And now we finally freshened up, changed outfits, did a quick fit check and we are ready to hunt for more food because priorities, am I right? Or am I right? Oh my god guys, this bowl of dal khichdi just healed my soul. It's simple, warm and exactly what you need when the mountain breeze hits you. Evenings in Panchgani hits different, guys. I mean, this cafe, it was already so visually appealing with good food and vibe in the morning, and by evening it was more aesthetically pleasing. The fairy lights, the moon, the breezy vibe, the Christmas decor, everything was so on point, and obviously there were more things that made this evening so beautiful. So more on that later in this video, so stay tuned. So weekends, especially Sundays in a Zostel, it's usually a movie night. So this cafe, it recommended us 4 to 5 Bollywood movies from which we picked one based on majority of our votes. And then we poured some red wine to seal the deal and get the movie started. So it's 2 AM and we are finally back at our dorm and we are just contemplating on how to sleep because with this chaos and noise coming from 4 other people who happen to be part of one single group, I think we're not going to sleep at all. And I mean, our facial expressions are more than enough, especially Akansha's. Oh my god. I mean, at this point, we'd rather sleep outside or not sleep at all. More on this later. Hello guys, so today is day 2 of Panchgani and as you can see I'm super exhausted and as you can see she's having what are you having?
Chocos and strawberry yogurt.
Chocos and blueberry yogurt. 300 रुपए का बुफे में हमने almost 10 लोग का खाना खाया है because we don't want to have lunch and I think that is very cost effective. सीधा dinner करने वाले हैं. Now we're just chilling here. We have this beautiful view we have our laptops ready. Today we're gonna be working from here. So we're done with breakfast and now we are working and yeah, now we're gonna work and then probably we're trying to finish everything by evening. Okay, and this is our arrangement: laptop, connection. Akanksha is sitting there, she's feeling very cold and she's looking very cutesy, and here there is my favorite blueberry yogurt with some chocos. Nobody told me how amazing it is to work with the hilltop view. I mean, I got 8 hours of work done within 4 hours, and yes, obviously as you can see, Akanksha is not there because she felt too cold and she went inside and sat. She ditched me, guys. Typical, you know, typical. It's evening and here we are kicking off day 2 with a hilltop stroll and some much needed fresh, relaxed, cold, breezy air. I mean, as happy as I'm looking here, I'm freaking out because of my acrophobia. And for dinner, we decided to opt for burnt garlic noodles and Thai curry. This time we ensured it's spicy enough to make us sweat. Let's just say the chef took our feedback way too seriously. So good morning guys, today is day 3 Panchgani and we have a long day planned up. We kind of woke up around 11 and now it's around 12 o'clock and we are waiting to eat something light so that we can get the day started. One thing I would like to mention here is that since Akanksha and me, we are sharing a dorm with 4 other people. I think if you are planning to do the same, I will definitely make a separate video on that, the itinerary and places to check in and everything. But if you are planning to move into a dorm, and just make sure that the people there are like friendly or at least from different groups or something like that, because that's the rule of Zostel, that how much kitna? More than 3 people.
More than 3 people in a group are not allowed.
So if there is a 6 people group, and more than 3 people are not allowed in one room. But since we checked into this dorm of 6 people, there were these 4 people and they were like from the same group. So pura time chow chapar chal raha tha. And I think if they're unfriendly, it's kind of a buzzkill when you're living in the room. But good for us, hum log room mein hardly the. We were just going here and there, working from anywhere. So that's a point of concern, I guess. When you're checking in, make sure that you're sharing the dorm with people who are like from different groups and different places. That makes the experience better. You get to know each other, where you are from and everything. So that's that, and now we're going to order something light, we're going to eat it and we're going to get the day started. So stay tuned. This is used as a shampoo.
Yeah, like some people use it as shampoo because it's like damn.
That liquid?
Yeah.
Oh.
Smells
What is this
like
tree called?
leaves. I don't know what it's called.
Mommy, where are we going?
To Maypro Garden.
Then
we'll be going to a table plateau that's called Tiger Caves. Where the caves, there's like a cafe inside the caves.
Okay.
It's very interesting too. Yeah.
So more to come. Yeah. Before heading over to Maypro Garden, we decided to take a quick halt at this place called as Minis. So here apparently we get chocolates, we get chickies and everything. So I just thought I'll check it out and see what they have, because there are a lot of varieties here.
इसमें स्ट्रॉबेरी, अंजीर, गुलकंद, खजूर और शुगर फ्री में 2 वैरायटी आती है, शुगर फ्री खजूर और शुगर फ्री।
ये शुगर फ्री है?
हाँ, ये दोनों शुगर फ्री है। शुगर फ्री खजूर है।
पूरा आ जाएगा।
पूरा ही
I think I like the Anjeev one better.
ये खजूर था ना?
Also, to all these sweet tooth lovers, you can make your own chocolate in this cafe at the cost of 400 to 500 rupees per chocolate box. So if you're around, definitely check it out. Before heading over to Tabletop Tiger Caves, we thought we'll have a quick lunch. And the pizzas here, I mean, even the regular size pizzas, they are so large and they're so filling. We ordered 3 pizzas and 1 plate of fries. And for the next 4-5 hours, we were very full. And now here we are at Tabletop Tiger Caves. The sunset here is so gorgeous, but the real drama began at Tiger Caves. We had to head over there via a chariot, and oh my god, I mean, the further few sections of the video where we are exploring Tiger Caves is definitely spooky. Just picture this, guys, okay? Narrow stairs. And me, a certified claustrophobic, I was definitely questioning my life choices. So more on that later, so stay tuned. And we came from here. These are the steps. And this is the underground cafe. This is legit built inside the caves. And from here we will have entrance to the Tiger Caves.
Indoor steps. अंदर कोई आते हैं ना ऐसे डरा के जाता है ना. Flash on क्या? Flash on.
Why?
ऐसे दिखेगा क्या?
Yeah.
I think if you're on the flash.
Guys, don't fall, please. Oh my god.
Sorry.
Oh, it's just a Guys, don't stop it.
No, please.
Oh my. Ooh. Nice.
The fun is over. Guys, ऊपर बैठ है संभाल के.
Bat है?
ये संभाल के.
I don't like this.
Okay. Oh.
That's it.
That's it. The fun is over.
Oh, हो गया. Who is yelling now? Let me. No.
None of us.
After this amazing view, we headed back to the hostel. We freshened up, had some hot dinner, and then we were ready for stargazing. Stargazing sounds dreamy, right? Wrong, because I had no idea that we are going to be, having a night trek and, towards the hilltop in the jungle. And I thought we're just going to do it out in the road, which was wrong and dumb of me to think so. And the guide was like, let's play music loudly so that we can scare away the wild animals. And, then there was this bonfire. And at that point, oh my God, guys, I mean, even though the experience was absolutely amazing and terrific, I was freaking the F out. I was praying, I was saying all the mantras possible so that we can go towards the hilltop and come back to these hostels safely. So did I regret it? Maybe not. But was I terrified? Absolutely. The last day at Zostil, day 4, started on a wholesome note. Akansha painting and our new friend trying to channel their inner Picasso, and well, me just vibing. He's that backbencher जो देख रहा है क्या चल रहा है, and he's painting the same thing. Change हो सकता है ना चीजें. Hello guys, so today is day 4 of Panchgani and today is the checkout day. We have checked out and now we are just chilling at this beautiful cafe. This cafe was the best highlight of Panchgani, Zostel Panchgani. And abhi 4 o'clock ka bus hai, so we've taken a lot of things from Panchgani. First we went to Maypro Gardens, as I showed you all in the video. I took this Maypro strawberry jam, and then I took one dark chocolate and one milk chocolate, and there was a strawberry barfi that I took, and then there was another khajur ka chikki and barfi that I took. So overall it was very tasty. You can also taste it before purchasing. These were the highlights of the trip. Overall the entire trip was amazing, and I think earlier when my friend, she was telling me like, let's go to Zostel, I was a bit skeptical. I was like, why share a dorm with strangers? Because trust me, sharing a dorm with strangers is something way out of my comfort zone. But I'm glad I did that. I met some great people out of the dorm, not in the dorm, because as I said, when you are sharing a room with a group, they are usually in their own world and they don't tend to mix up or even acknowledge what you say, and they create a lot of chaos and disturbance. So that is something you would want to be careful about when you're checking in. Always ask the admin that, you know, मैं जिनके साथ room share कर रही हूँ, are they like from different groups, or are they like, you know, bunch of strangers or something like that. So be careful about that. And yes, that was it. It was an amazing trip. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed every bit of it, and I'm going to make a separate vlog on the itinerary, places to visit if you're visiting Panchgani. And yes, if you love this vlog, you guys know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.